So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Moen Posi Temp cartridge in there. It's the 1222, and it's from Moen, so it's not a knockoff. It's the original cartridge in there. So now your faucet works great. It turns the functionality. It turns on and off real good. We replaced the spray head here. The homeowner purchased this probably locally at Home Depot, though, something like that. So it's the Caldwell, and we're not fond of it. The reason being it's all plastic, and when we first put it on, this device here, it kept dropping, it kept pivoting back down. And so this is super tight, and that's just to keep it. What it does is you tighten this down and it keeps this spray head up here. Otherwise it just floats back down, and this head, you can see, would be down here pointing straight down at you. So there's no leaking here, no leaking here. Right now, you can see no water coming from here, and we don't really like these shower arms. They're so, the tubing is so thin that the washer likes to go up into the arm instead of secure this portion to the arm, and then you get dripping out of here. This is super tight. We don't like that simply because it's plastic, but to keep it from falling down, we had to tighten it up. So we don't warrant this. I mean, this was a free extra. So you bought it, we installed it for you, no extra charge. The $225 covers the cartridge installation. Just a point of courtesy while we're here, you know, we put that in for you. So we're not fond of it. It is a Moen. We love Moen, but in this case, we just don't like the plastic housing and the way that it free floats around. So anyways, everything here looks good outside of that. This installation is done.